how to change Microsoft Edge browser theme. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Microsoft Edge. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top corner right here, click on those three dots as you can see. Now after you click, go down here and choose settings right here. Now after you choose settings, all what you have to do is so simple. Just go right here and click on this appearance option. Now after you click on appearance, all what you have to do is go right here and choose any theme you want from here. As you can see, you have many options and many colors, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.